Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I don't know what I'm going to be doing, but I want to try some products that I haven't used in a while. I don't really think I have any eyeshadows that I haven't used, but I definitely have like some highlighters, all that junk. So anyway, I'm just gonna get into it. So I'm going to, I don't know if these are my shades or not, but this is the Dewy and Smooth, this is the Matte and Poreless. But today I'm going to be mixing them. This is shade 130, this is shade 238. This is the Dewy and Smooth. I primed with my Cover FX blurring primer. It's a little dark. Now, for concealer, I guess I'm just going to use this since I have been using my Shape Tape and my ColourPop. And I don't really have an old concealer. I get rid of a lot of makeup. That way I can make room for more. So, actually, you know what I do? This is like products I'm giving away or I'm getting rid of, and I just haven't gotten rid of them yet. So I found a lip color, maybe. Then I found this palette, a blush. Here's a bronzer and illuminator from Ulta. This is Physicians Formula. It's a bronzer. It's a bronze pearl. I think I got a baking powder in here. It's just a little palette. I might use this too. And I found this highlighter. Should I try these out? I'm gonna try these shadows out. First, I think I got rid of this just because I have so many powders that I like more than this one. I don't think there was anything wrong with this. Okay. I kind of want to try this. But I need some matte colors first. So I'm going with this Tarte palette into Jingle All the Gray. This was a holiday palette from like a couple years ago. These actually blend out super nice. And I kept one of them. I have this one. It came in like a 3-thing pack, and there was a gold one. So this is rose gold, gunmetal, and then there was a actual like gold one too. But I got rid of the gold one because I never used it, and that's just about the darkest color other than black in this palette. I'm going to take Plum Pop, which is this little purple, and just go on the outer corner a little bit, the inner corner with the excess. And then there's in this Real Her shadow palette. It's the number 1 apparently. I'm gonna take Creative in the middle, I think, just on my finger. And then I think I'm gonna take Fabulous on my other finger in the middle, or on the inner corner. Okay, I think I'm gonna take Strong, which this is kind of like that other shade that I put on. Yeah. I might end up keeping this. So this came with all that Ulta Beauty stuff like this and this that I was getting rid of. It came in a little bag. It's over here, but this is just some setting spray, and I'm gonna spray this teeny tiny brush just a little bit. And I'm gonna go into this on one side of the brush. Okay, now, do I have it? Oh goodness. I'm gonna try it. Jesus. It's like purple. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is purple. The color is iris. Okay. Yeah, no, I know why I got rid of this. I don't think I have a mascara. In here. I want to put this. This is by Unique. It's Splash Liquid Lipstick in Sentimental. I'm gonna take my Physicians Formula. This looks crazy. Pearl bronzer. I'm literally just gonna these blushes don't really go with this, do they? This lip color is tripping me out. I'm gonna add some Adesse liquid lipstick in. Do you have a color? I don't know the color. Maxi Quip. Y'all, it comes out like a lip gloss. We'll see if this dries down or not. Okay, I'm gonna go in my Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush Prim Vixen. And I'm going to take my stippling brush. Oh. Okay, yeah. I've never tried this. It's Wonder Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara in this tube. It's got this kind of a wand. That looks okay, but this is nothing to write home about. Yeah, that's nothing special. I'm just going to add some of my Ulta Beauty Limitless Lashes mascara. You see what I mean? That was, I mean, I know we had that other mascara up underneath it, but that was just so much better. So I'm going to take this bronzer in this little Ulta thing and this small little thing with my big old brush. Just kind of, I'm going to try the illuminator in here. Of course, they stop right outside my house. Okay, so they're gone. This is okay. If you like a natural highlight, this might be good for travel. And then, but I'm going to go ahead and put some Essence Pure Nude on. And I was getting rid of this just because I have a lot of other highlighters. This is a good highlighter for just a couple dollars. Like, y'all saw that? I'm just gonna use my ColourPop pencil because that's what's right here, and I threw this away for a reason. It's an Ultra Brow pencil. Now it comes with a spoolie, great, fine, whatever, good color. That stuff is hard. You gonna take off eyebrow hairs trying to do your eyebrows, so. Just gonna take a flat top brush and go into this color again. I'm going to take this color. There we go. I found some gems in here. Like, I really like this eyeshadow palette. I think I threw it away because it was bulky, but these shades in here are beautiful. So I think I'm just gonna sit this over here with the rest of the makeup. And then I really did like this eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna throw this away, get rid of that. But I really did enjoy this eyeshadow palette. You know, I only use this one shade right here, but this looks beautiful. This one looks beautiful. This looks beautiful. So I think I'm gonna keep this one too, just to keep trying out. Then I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep this. This is bad. And then I think I might actually keep this too. So this powder was a no-go. I like these foundations, especially the matte and poreless, but they just weren't the right shade for me. So I will have to get lighter shades if I'm going to use this. And I enjoyed this color in here. Like, I've used a little bit of all of these. I enjoyed this color, but it's just not worth it to keep the whole palette. I didn't really see a difference with this, so I think I'm gonna pass this on too. And this lip color, it's okay. It still hasn't dried down all the way, but I think it's getting there. Plus I mixed it with that other lipstick, so I don't know. And then this, I do not like this at all. It didn't do anything for my lashes. I don't hate my makeup today. I don't completely hate my makeup today, so I give all these products a 6.5 out of 10 maybe. I love the eye look. Don't love the, oh, that, hang on. What even was it? The Hikari liquid eyeliner in Iris. No. Alrighty guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed this. As y'all can see, I'm not gonna do anything with my hair today, so I think I'm going to clean all this up and then watch some more Vlogmas. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Love y'all. Bye.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.